Good morning, students of standard 9. Welcome in day 10. As you know that in day 9, I have taught you about how to find gravitational force acts between two objects, and in that class I have find the gravitational force acts between two balls having masses 0.5 kg each, and distance between these two balls are 1 meter. Okay, today I will discuss about how to find gravitational force acts between two persons. Okay, to see here, today's topic is gravitational force act between two person, and you will sit with pen notebook and turn page number same page 131 and see the topic how to find gravitational force act between two person. Okay, so first of all, let us consider two person having their masses 60 kg each. Okay, let us consider two persons having their masses 60 kg each, and both are stand by 1 meter difference. That means gap between both these two person is 1 meter. Then what is the value of gravitational force? So we know that F is equal to G m1 m2 by r square. This is equation 1. Okay, now collect the data. Given m1 is equal to 60 kg, m2 is equal to also 60 kg. Okay, distance r is equal to 1 meter, and g is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square kg minus 2. Okay, now put the value of this in equation 1. From equation 1, F is equal to, put the value of G, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, and put the value of m1 is equal to 60 kg, 60, m2 is equal to also 60 by r square, 1 square. Okay, F is equal to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11, 60 into 60, 3600. Now put, remove the decimal and put 1220. Now it becomes, okay, that means F is equal to 667 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 36. Okay, now multiply this term, 667 into 36. 24012. F is equal to 24012 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton. But this is not correct answer, because then after you will put here in a standard form. Okay, so F is equal to 24012. How many digit here? 1 2 3 4 5. That means you will divide with 40. You will always use less than 1 digit. Okay, this is 5 digit, so you will take 4 zeros. If 6 digit, you will take 5 zeros. These are 4 zeros. Minus 11. These 4 zeros you have already choose by yourself, so you will balance by 4 zeros in upside. Okay, now it becomes F is equal to 2.4012 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power 4 Newton. Okay, Now see here, F is equal to 2.40 into 10 to the power, base are same, then you will add the terms, minus 11 plus 4 Newton. So final answer is F is equal to 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton. So students, this is the final values of gravitational force acts between two persons having mass 60 kg. Students, I hope you are very well, you are understood very well how to find gravitational force acts between two persons. Students, here I have found the value of gravitational force between two persons, but this is not the correct value. It's just for as estimate value. Okay, why? Because the shape of person is not an spherical. Okay, here the body of a person is not spherical. So the formula F is equal to G m1 m2 by r square cannot be used for calculating the magnitude of the gravitational force between two persons. Okay, that means this formula is applicable for only for spherical bodies like Earth, ball, other planets, moon, sun. Okay, that means here we have find the gravitational force between two persons. This is the value, this is not the correct value of gravitational force, but we can say that it is the estimate value. Okay, this formula however gives a reasonable estimate. That means the here I have found the value of gravitational force is equal to 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton. That means it is approx the value of gravitational force act between two objects, but it is not exact value of gravitational force between two person. Okay, student, today I have taught you about how to find gravitational force between two persons. Now it's time for your homework. Write down your homework. Students, this is your homework for day 10. Okay, today I have given also only one question. See, find the gravitational force acts between two persons. Okay, find the gravitational force acts between two persons having masses 50 kg and 70 kg with a distance of 10 meter. That means it is given here m1 is equal to 50 kg, m2 is equal to 70 kg, and distance between them r is equal to 10 meter. Then after you will find the value of gravitational force act between these two persons. Students, today's class is over. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.